And we realize that we are working with the government that really gives little regard to her employees. And we are calling upon the governor of Mombasa to ensure that he brings this house in order. He's the father figure in this county, and he needs to take responsibility and address the issue of salaries, which has been a problem for the last 8 to 10 years. Because since devolution, we have always been out on strike because of salaries, which is a recurrent expenditure that every government knows that every month is supposed to pay a certain amount of money to her own staff. So we don't expect that health workers, we should be going on strike. But unfortunately, when you are working with an employer who takes little regard of you, then we are forced to take this course. It's our constitutional right that we have to force this employer now through a petition. We have to do a picketing, we demonstrate and ensure that our salaries are paid. And we are calling upon all employees of Mombasa now to join us, including those who are working under the County Workers Union, to join us in the streets and force this government to pay salaries. I know for them they are a bit relaxed, but I'm calling upon the leadership of the County Workers Union also to join us in the street and compel this government of Mombasa to ensure that our salaries are paid in good time going forward. Because now we are not going to take it easy, because our members are really at pains to work for an employer who doesn't give any regard for them. So what we are very sorry for the public for what they are going through. I know there are patients in the wards who require our services, but you see, if you cannot be attended to a person who's empty, who doesn't have food in the house, who has not paid the rent for the last 4 months. The services we offer will even risk your life as opposed to even saving that life. So we would wish that to the public to take note of this and ensure that they transfer their patients, those who are patients in the ward, they transfer them to the private hospital so that they can get attention there. And remember, constitutionally, it's the responsibility of the government to ensure that citizens of this country get services. And therefore, we call upon the government of Mombasa to ensure that patients who are in the wards currently get services by being transferred to other hospitals.
When you're having people who don't know what they are doing, that is the result of what it is. So the budget being not approved, it means it has not met the legal threshold. They have not been able to address the issue of pending bills. We are having pending bills dating back to 2014, where we have contractors who did business with Mombasa County and they have not been able to pay. So with those and the many other issues of incompetency and lack of transparency and accountability by the finance department, that's where we are now. So we are calling upon all agencies now, not only the governor, but all agencies, including the anti-corruption and the ombudsman and the control of budget, to look into the issues affecting the Mombasa County government as far as finances are concerned. We are having issues, they are not accountable, and they must be put to task. And the issue of irresponsibility, it is high time that the Mombasa residents demand for a leadership that will lead them into the right direction by ensuring we have the right people at the finance department.
I'm Moses Maingi. I am the Secretary General of the Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratory Officers in Mombasa County. I want to echo what my colleagues have said. The issues of Mombasa have just been perennial. And as a department, we cannot take it any longer. So for today, until the issue of salary is addressed, all public laboratories in hospitals remain closed. Officers are not able to attend to the citizens of Mombasa because they have not been facilitated. For the last 2 months, they have not received their salary. For the last 6 months, we have been receiving half salaries. And these officers who are manning all labs in Mombasa have not even a simple insurance cover. And therefore, we are here to demand that the Mombasa County do the necessary. Thank you very much.
Moto umewaka. Ile banda zipiga kama hakuna mtu atakuja